So let's say now you have some rooms, a restaurant has some rooms for guests, so you can through this module you'll be able to to monitor your rooms. Yeah. So let's say first of all, when you are interacting with the rooms, you need to create rooms. When you create an account, you'll have to create rooms. So let's say here, let's create a room here. Floor, let's say third floor. For our room is on third floor, or any floor. You just put any floor. Room number is B12. Let's say, for example, that. Description: amazing room. You can put any room. Choose type, let's say it's standard, and here you can see available. You can say the room has been booked. Price, no, before, when you're creating, let's say it's available, because let's say it's available for 1,000, maybe just any price, let's say even 6,000 for example. And then you can add some images if you wish. For example, if you want to upload any, but it's not necessary, you'll just click here and upload. Select an image you have, for example this one, but it's not necessary in any way. You can now create the room. You see, a room has been created. This is our room here, and it's available. So let's say, let's record a booking here, and then we can just create when you are creating a booking, you will have to create a customer, because you are booking a room to somebody. So you can click here, you just the basic information, full name, email, that is optional, phone number, and national ID. You can create that customer, but already we had a created test customer. So let's say to create a booking, let's create a booking. We select the customer, let's select customer test, select a room, our B12 room. Check-in date, the person has, let's say today, now is the time the person came. Checkout date, they will go, let's give them around 12 days, and this time PM. That's all. So those are 7 nights. The system will calculate. Number of guests, okay, 2. Special request, some water, just something the customer requested, something. You can even leave it blank. Select payment status. Let's say they have paid, so it's completed. How did they pay? They paid through cash, for example. So this is the amount the system has calculated. Let's book. We have booked successfully. And now you can see here, customer test, we booked him on our room B12. Booked. These are check-in date and checkout date. This is the amount they paid. So let's view. We have all the details here. The details of that customer, the rooms and everything, booking detail, check-in, check-out. So here you can update booking, maybe change a room if something the customer has realized he doesn't need that room, and number of guests, check-in date, the customer needs some extension, something of that kind. Let's say now you don't want to change the room, and after 7 days this customer leaves. You need this room to be available to book the next customer. Here, notice here you can print a receipt and give it to them, like they show the details. But now let's say their stay is over. After their 7 days they have to leave. We need to clear this room to be able to book the next person. So what do? We just click here, clear booking. Room has been updated. Now let's go to our rooms. You see now our room here is available now. We can book the next person. Even on the record here, it shows it's available. Now on this episode I'll show you 2 models. Let's say now in terms of conference, you have some conference, a hall where you give people for conferences. So you can create a price tag for your conference, depending on how you charge. You can say full day is maybe 6,000, midday, something of that kind, and then you'll be charging the conferences based on based on that price tag. So now you can, the same process of booking, you can create conference booking. You can just come here and say the username, the national ID, a phone number, select conference type. Is it midday? Is it full day? So they want to be using the, you know, the all the day or up to midday. So you select anything, check-in date, check-out date, number of guests. So let's say, for example, let's test one here. Let's say test customer, for example. National ID number 07, and we selected midday. Okay, let's select full day, for example. Check-in date, they'll start using our hall starting, you know, today. Let's say today. And when are they leaving? They leave after let's say they leave day 21. They are good customers. This time PM, for example. Number of guests 20, or let's say 30. So special requests or nothing. These people didn't request anything, or anything they requested. Select payment status, completed. They are paid. They are good customers. Select payment. Okay, they paid through maybe credit card. So this is the amount, 180,000. It calculates based on the type of booking you choose, the number of guests, and the number of days you will use the facility. Then you can create a booking. And if you come here to all bookings, all reservations, you can see here all conference reservations here. You can view too. You can print a receipt for them. It's the same case now with how booking rooms work. So here you cannot this here now you use the same format we used of getting the analysis. If you want to know between a certain period of time, the bookings ahead, for example, let's search here and say you want to know the bookings of today, starting at today at 12 a.m. and up to now, and search. See these are some booking details here. The booking we did, number of nights, number of guests, everything. You get everything here. So now let's say I want to also check now this time is all about conferences, so I can say let me see if there is some conferences which happened between this time. And this you can check it anywhere. You don't need to come close to your premises. And then you search. You see, yeah, there's some booking which happened here. That's all.